I want to tell you my daily activity. My name is Asiska Distawati. My nickname Siska. My place and date of birth Jombang 31 March 1998. I was 80 years old. I live in Purworejo. Next, I want to explain my education. I am attended kindergarten in Harapan Bangsa, elementary school in Purworejo, junior high school in Kesamben, senior high school in Kesamben, and now currently studying at STIE PGRI Dewantara Jombang, Economic Management Department. My daily activity: 5 AM I am wake up and wash my face, then prayer. After prayer I am sleep again until 7 AM. 7 AM I am tidy up bedroom and watching television until 9 AM. 9 AM I am breakfast. After breakfast I am take a break. 9 AM I am take a bed. After take a bed I am change clothes and make up until finish. 11 AM I am go to campus until 12 PM. 12 PM until 4 PM I am studying in campus. 4 PM I am go to home. Arrived at home I am change clothes and clean the house. After clean the house I am take a bed. After take a bed I am prayer. After prayer I am watching television until Maghrib. After Maghrib I am prayer. After prayer I am dinner. After dinner I am preparing textbook and study until 8 PM. 8 PM I am watching television until 11 PM. 11 PM last night to sleep. My father is working out of door. My father put his clothes working. My mother is watching television lying down with my brother. My mother use casual clothes. My mother not sleeping, not sweeping, and not cooking. I will buy mobile phone. I will holiday in Malang. I will holiday in Surabaya. And I want to be better personal and realize the resolution in 2016. Okay, thank you for listening to my daily activity.